Retirement is a significant milestone in one's life, marking the culmination of decades of hard work and dedication. To ensure a comfortable and fulfilling retirement, it's essential to have a well-thought-out retirement plan. In this article, we'll explore the key components of a retirement plan, strategies to maximize your savings, and tips for a worry-free retirement. Setting clear retirement goals. The first step in creating a retirement plan is setting clear and achievable goals. Consider factors such as your desired retirement age, lifestyle expectations, and potential healthcare expenses. Having a concrete vision of your retirement will help you determine how much money you need to save and invest. Assess your current financial situation. Before crafting your retirement plan, evaluate your current financial standing. Calculate your assets, including savings, investments, and retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Also, assess your liabilities, such as mortgage debt or outstanding loans. This snapshot of your finances will serve as a baseline for your retirement plan. Create a budget. A well-structured budget is essential for managing your finances leading up to retirement. Track your monthly income and expenses to identify areas where you can save more and allocate funds toward your retirement goals. Sticking to a budget can help you maintain discipline and grow your retirement savings. Maximize retirement savings. To build a substantial retirement nest egg, it's crucial to maximize your retirement savings contributions. Take advantage of employer-sponsored plans like 401k or 403b, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. These accounts offer tax advantages and can significantly boost your retirement savings. Additionally, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, or a Roth IRA, depending on your financial situation and tax preferences. IRAs provide a range of investment options and tax benefits that can enhance your retirement savings. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a fundamental strategy for managing risk in your retirement portfolio. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket by investing in a mix of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like commodities or cryptocurrencies. Diversification can help mitigate market volatility and improve your long-term returns. Regularly review and adjust your plan. As you progress towards retirement, it's essential to periodically review and adjust your retirement plan. Life circumstances, financial markets, and goals can change over time. Regularly assess your portfolio's performance, rebalance your investments, and make necessary adjustments to ensure your retirement plan remains on track. Consider healthcare costs. Healthcare expenses can be a significant financial burden during retirement. Be sure to factor in potential healthcare costs when planning your retirement. Consider purchasing long-term care insurance to protect your assets in case you need extended medical care in the future. Think about your legacy. While planning for your retirement, don't forget to consider what you want to leave behind for your heirs. Estate planning is an essential aspect of a comprehensive retirement plan. Consult with a financial advisor or estate planning attorney to create a will, establish trusts, and minimize estate taxes. A well-crafted retirement plan is your roadmap to financial freedom in your golden years. By setting clear goals, assessing your financial situation, and diligently saving and investing, you can secure a comfortable retirement that meets your expectations. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan ensures that you stay on course and adapt to changing circumstances. With proper planning and discipline, you can enjoy your retirement years worry-free, knowing that your financial future is secure.